What's up? What's up? What's up? This is B Roots. Back at it again with a semi-tutorial, but more of a product to help you out with your taxes. First of all, I want to thank every single one of my subscribers and daily followers on Twitter. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed yet, you should hit that subscribe button. It's very easy and very fast. You just click that button that says subscribe. And you will get great information, great tools, great news on the latest in cryptocurrency. But if you're already a subscriber, hit that bell link on the top. Because what that will do is as soon as I release a video, you will get notification right away. And if you haven't already, please add me on Twitter at IMBRoots, where we have awesome conversations, polls, debates, you name it, we have it. And I do answer Twitter questions, and I do answer the comment questions, and any questions that you have, I answer it. I'm not like any other YouTuber who doesn't speak after the video is made. That's why I am your cryptocurrency superhero. So with that said, we're going to get on the big point of taxes. I've been getting a lot of people asking me about taxes. You know, what do you use? How do you create, you know, how do you know what's a taxable event? Now, first, I want to let you all know that I am not an accountant. I am not your financial advisor. I am not any of that. I am a fan of cryptocurrency that will offer you information about it, but you make your own decision. However, I have a surprise for you if you wait for the end of the video. It is a great surprise. And B Roots is selling his very own cryptocurrency spreadsheet to help you with your taxes. But you have to wait for the end of the video in order to get that information. And I am giving you a hell of a discount to the first 500 purchasers. So, with that said, let's talk a little bit about the taxes. This is a great website that I found. It's called cryptocurrencyfacts.com. And it was published on the 30th of December of last year, right before the new year hit. Because if you're in the United States, you already know that we just got hit with a big tax event. If you're outside of the United States, you can still use this product that I'm going to show you. So please stay in touch, and I'll show you how I made it and what it is. But just for the United States, there's some things that came about. This isn't 100% set in stone, so I would highly recommend talking to your accountant so you can get that information. But basically, in short, trading cryptocurrency to fiat currency like the dollar is a taxable event. Trading cryptocurrency for goods and services is a taxable event. Buying cryptocurrency with US dollar is not a taxable event. So basically, if you go on Coinbase, link is below. If you haven't signed up for Coinbase, I don't know what you're waiting for, but you got Coinbase, and say if you take the money out of your bank account and put it into your Coinbase, well, all of a sudden that cryptocurrency, that's not a taxable event. When you buy the cryptocurrency, that is not a taxable event. When you trade the cryptocurrency, I believe that is a taxable event. Now, if you buy, trade, and you make $1,000, well, you're taxed on that $1,000. If you buy, trade, and you lost $1,000, well, that's a taxable event. Up to $3,000, though. You can only write off up to $3,000, I believe. So that is crazy. If I lose $1 million, which I definitely won't lose $1 million because I only invest in solid things. But if I were to lose $1 million, I can only write off 3,000 of those dollars. But if I make $1 million, I have to write off the full $1 million. Sucks, I know, but that's kind of how it is. So basically, you owe taxes when you sell, trade, or use forked coins or coins you mine. Is taxable. So I highly recommend going through this website. The link's going to be below, but it just gives you an breakdown of the taxes of what is a taxable event and what is not a taxable event. And it just bullet points and lets you know. I highly recommend, if you're making some money or you're doing trades, please talk to your accountant. It's usually like $100, maybe $200 to talk to an accountant and get all this information. But in the end, you're the one that's going to have to track it. And how are you going to track it? Well, that's where B-Roots comes into play. So if you go on my website at iambroots.com, you'll notice here, obviously I'm the face of crypto and EDM. You can check out all my tutorials. When I click on that button, it's going to have all my videos that I've made. So make sure you subscribe, if not, and check out all those videos. But for this tutorial, we're going to go here on taxes. When you click on taxes and you scroll down, it's basically the B-Roots cryptocurrency tax spreadsheet. And basically, is the government taxing your cryptocurrency trades? Not sure how to track your earnings? This tracker will give you everything to present to the government or accountant so that your taxes can be properly done. I want to let you guys know, there's no monthly charges. There's no accountant needed. Just a one-time low cost of $25. And you can watch my video below to see how to use it. So basically, requirements, all that you will need is Microsoft Excel. So with that said, let's get going and show you what it looks like. Bring it up here. And boom, popping bottles. Look at that. 2018's B-Roots profit and loss statement. So I've created a Microsoft Excel document to document all your buys. You document all your trades, and it will do all the subtracting and addition that you need to see what you're up or below on your year-to-date taxes. This is all done here. It makes it easy. It makes it fluent, and it just calculates no matter what exchange you're on, it calculates. And you have an awesome, cool little pop bottle champagne little bottle right there to show you. So let me give you kind of example of how to use this spreadsheet. So we're going to go to my Binance, and we're going to take let's go here and go to order history. So say let's took 88 the Ethereum. I purchased it on 1/21 of 2018. So first thing I want to put what I was buying right here. You can see I typed in Cardano. My bought date, I'm going to put 1/21, and it's going to put 18 automatically for it. So the month, January of 2018. So basically it's telling me, hey, for this month, it's going to populate my income for that right here. It gives you my date, my month. Let's see the quantity that I bought. I bought 65. There it is. When you buy it, you obviously know how much you're buying it for. So when you look to see how much you're buying it for, you want to put that in there. So the buy rate is at $10. Say I go on, let's say, CoinMarketCap, and I look at it and I say, hey, I want to buy Cardano today. So I get on CoinMarketCap, I go to ADA, go there, see the amount, go to the markets. I know that I'm buying in Binance, so in Ether, and I'm buying it at 62 cents. So I bought 65 at 62 cents. I bought 65, the buying rate at 0.62. So that shows that I bought $40.30 of Cardano. The fees. Now your fees will show up here. Go back to Binance. Your fees, when you click on detail, that will show you your fees. So your fee was 0.00140238. That average is that's about 2-3 cents. It wasn't much. So how to figure that out, though, if it's a bigger amount. So when I copy and paste that, there's a website below. You can click on that. But usually I do BNB to USD. It's Currencio.co. And this will convert it for you. So BNB, Binance coin, that's how I pay my fees. If you guys didn't know, the fee for Binance is 1%, but when you use your Binance coin, it becomes 0.05%. So it's cheaper to do it that way. But when you copy and paste that number, Binance coin to US dollar, or you can do it to whatever currency you want, you hit convert. There it shows you 2 cents. So I just put that in there, the fees, 0.02. And it gives me your total buying cost was $40.32. So basically it takes the amount that you currently had, your buying rate, the bought amount, your fees, and then your total buying cost was $40.32. Now let's say I sold those. So let's say I sold all $65, which is a taxable event, or if I sold one, it's a taxable event. The sold rate, let's say it goes up to $2. No, you know what? Cardano to the moon. Say I sold them all at $30. That's $1,950 off of $40.30. When it goes to $65, I made $1,909.68 in my total loss. Now, the one thing you want to make sure is that your fees get updated when you do this. Now, because I only show the fees for that, what you want to do is add the fees to your 2 cents. So whatever the fee is at that date, when you go to sell it, you want to add that fee to it. So let's say it costs $15 for that fee. It'd probably be more than that, but let's say it's $15 for that fee. It takes it back off for $94.70. So as it adds up to this, it will update in your January, your February, your March, April, May, all the way through December. This is an awesome tool. Now say you want to create another one. All you have to do is go to the last tab and hit the tab button. The tab button will allow you to create another one. So as you go to your tab button, you keep hitting it, it's going to create another one. And then you keep hitting it, it's going to create another one. So it's going to keep creating more. Every time you make a trade, every time you make a buy, you can just add to it and it will go forever as long as you just keep doing the trades and you can track it. This makes it so much easy to track in life. It just makes life easy. So this is the best way to track your taxes. Ladies and gentlemen, you do not want to mess with the government. This is the tax spreadsheet that you need to gain your loss and profits. And when all you have to do is hand this to your accountant looks at it and says, damn, this is nice. Where'd you get this from? IMBRoots.com. IMBRoots.com and get your tax advisor this spreadsheet, because you can use this for business, you can use this for cryptocurrency, you can use this for anything. You'll be popping bottles like it shows in the left-hand corner. Now, I am going to give my subscribers first chance at this. You will get, as you can see, the general public is going to get it for $25. And this is cheaper than you can get anywhere else. I haven't seen anything cheaper. And if it is cheaper, let me know, because I will price match you. So get on Twitter and let me know, and just give me the address and tell me. But you're not going to be finding anything. This is the best of the best. So when you get this tax credit, as you can see, you can add to the cart. It's $25. The first 500 purchases gets 40% off. So you will get it for $15 for this hard work that I did. So for $15, all you have to do is put in the promo code BROOTS2018. Once again, BROOTS2018. Once the $500 purchases is purchased, that will be eliminated. You cannot find that anymore. So, after the 500 people, if you add me on Twitter, if you add me on Facebook, and you direct message me via that, and I see that you're subscribed to this channel, you added me on Twitter and you added me on Facebook, I will give you $5 off. So the first 500 is $25. Or excuse me, it's $15. After that, it then becomes $20 if you add me on Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to my channel for YouTube. Or you can just forget about it and pay the $25, which is fine too. That's okay, because this is the spreadsheet of the century. Do not mess with the tax man, because they will take all of your earnings away if needed. So if you have any questions, please direct message me on Twitter, Facebook, or just comment below and let me know. I can help you out. This is a great spreadsheet. It helps me keep in line all my taxes, and literally all I do is I just email that document to my tax lady. She does it all for me, and she says, this is how much you owe, and I just pay the tax man their money. This is what is needed to be great. We invest in great crypto. We pay the tax man so they're off their back. And then we can pop bottles at parties. Once again, IMB Roots. You click on taxes. And right there, and make sure you forget BROOTS 2018. The first 500 people that purchase will get 40% off, and you'll get it for $15. Once that is done, it then turns into a $5 promo code. Once again, BROOTS 2018 will be a $5 promo code. That will be for the 40% off. You have to direct message me after 500 people. So if it declines that promo code, that means there's been 500 sold already. And I have a feeling that's going to go quick. So do not think about it. Get on it. The original subscribers, the first of the subscribers, get it first. First 500. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Add me on Twitter at IMBRoots. Add me on Facebook at IMBRoots. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will do my hardest to answer it. With that said, this is B-Roots. And B-Roots doesn't mess with the tax man. He pays the man. But he only does it being organized throughout the year with the B-Roots tax spreadsheet. Is signing out. Thank you for watching.